Hello, in previous video I introduced a way to design intervention, a new sponge round in late lab with the photogrammetry mesh side models. Today I'm gonna show many other ways to design with this mesh side using sub-D, mesh boolean split, mesh split, and mesh repair. After importing a raw mesh site into Rhino, switch display mode to render. It's cleaner and easier to see the buildings. In previous part, I mentioned we should have a sketch plan of our site model ready in here. If you haven't, I will instruct now. The easiest way is to drag the image into the interface. Import as a picture, click OK and drag over the whole site. You can adjust the site by using combo move and rotate command. Make sure the reference align with the site model. If you want to demolish a building, you can create a box over it using scale 1D and scale to make sure the box lies on the right spot. As the photogrammetry mesh combined by many small pieces of mesh, we have to subtract one by one mesh surrounding the buildings. Select the mesh. In Rhino, we use mesh split command. Then select the box as the cutting object. Now it's what cut into two pieces. Do similar with other meshes. Then you can delete the building parts. I will reuse the box by make the plan surface here. Just need to adjust a bit to fit in the hole. Create sponge areas. Create a surface in the box. Using rebuild command to modify the fluctuations of the surface. Similar to the segments of the length and the width in 3ds Max, you can define number of points count for U and V. Now the points are off. To see the points, use points on command.